About this item: ultra-fast true Wi-Fi 6 speeds designed with the latest wireless Wi-Fi 6 technology featuring 1024 QAM and long OFDM symbol. The EAP613 boosts dual-band Wi-Fi speeds up to 1800 Mbps. With 4 spatial streams, multi-user throughput is incredibly increased to drive more applications. Ultra-slim design, compact design ensures simple installation while saving space. The elegant appearance makes EAP613 a perfect blend into any modern office, hotel, classroom, or cafe. Integrated into Omada SDN. Omada software-defined networking (SDN) platform integrates network devices including access points, switches and gateways with multiple control options offered. Omada hardware controller, software controller, or cloud-based controller *. Contact TP-Link for cloud-based controller details. Standalone mode also supported cloud access and Omada compatibility. Remote cloud access in Omada app enables centralized cloud management of the whole network from different sites, all controlled from a single interface anywhere, anytime. For devices that are compatible with SDN firmware, please visit from the manufacturer Q&A section or TP-Link website. Advanced wireless tech supports mesh Wi-Fi, seamless roaming *. Omada Mesh and Seamless Roaming require the use of Omada SDN controllers, WPA3, band steering, load balancing, airtime fairness and beamforming technologies. PoE Plus for easy installation. EAP613 supports 8